Binary search is a search algorithm that finds the position of a target value within a sorted array. Binary search compares the target value to the middle element of the array. But it only works for sorted arrays. Now let's say we have these sorted values sorted ascendingly. We have to find position of 57. In linear search it would search one after one until 57 is found. But with binary search we can find it more faster. The array has 9 values. The middle position is 33. So, we divide the array into 2 parts keeping 33 in the middle. Now, we match if the middle or 33 is our target, but it isn't. Our target is 57. The left array ends with 25 and right array starts with 38. As 57 is greater than 33, then we'll find it after 33. It means 57 exists in the right array. Now, we have 4 items. So, we take 54 as our middle number and divide array in 2 parts. Again, check the middle. Nope, 54 isn't our target. Target 57 is greater than 54. So, it'll be in right array. Now, we only have 2 items. But the program will again divide the array, keeping 57 in middle. And 57 is our target. With binary search we can intelligently search an assorted array, which is much faster than linear search. If you didn't understand yet, then watch this video again. Because now we're going to implement this binary search algorithm in Python. First, define a method, binary search. It takes 4 parameters. First one is the main array that contains all sorted items. Low is the lower index and high is the higher index. These are the limit where the target should be searched. Laterly it'll be more understandably. And then x is the target value that we're searching for. High index has to be greater than low index. If low isn't lower than high, that means the array that should be searched doesn't contain any value. Mid is the middle index or pivot. The double slashes are used to get integer result instead of float. If the pivot value equals x, then we've found our target, so we will just return the position. But if it doesn't match, x will be either in left side or right side. If x is smaller than pivot or middle value, then it'll be at left side. So, we'll call this method recursively with the left part. Or, if x greater than pivot, then x can be found in right side of the pivot. When no match is found, x doesn't exist in the array. We will return -1. Let's now test with these values while target is 40. If target is found, we'll return target's position. Otherwise, we'll say it isn't found. Now, try changing the target. Also search a value that doesn't exist in the array. Binary search has time complexity of big O of log n. This tutorial maybe is not so friendly for the beginners. But if you watch the video again and try the Python code yourself, I hope it'll be helpful. If it was helpful, then consider liking and subscribing.